Hello mga ka-island! Sa part nga po pala niyan, ay sumakay nga po pala kami sa bangka dahil po may pupuntahan po kami.
I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I listen to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Walking the streets, you and your worn out jeans. I cannot pretend this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? You've got a smile that could light up this whole town. I haven't
Nakarating na nga po pala kami mga ka-island sa aming pinuntahan. Magsiswimming nga po pala ako para matuto po ako maglangoy.
Ayan, so maraming salamat sa ating kabayan ng lahat sa lalagyan ng paso. So ngayon ay ilalaan ang lahat sa bumisip na
Wala. Sige lang. Magkatawa sa
si Ate Evangelist.
Nanay, kakain.
Nag-aano pa sandali.
Agad sabay na ako yung kain.
Sabay kayo lahat, Mikey.
Wait lang. Okay. Ayun na. Si Mikey, may matatamaan ba ako?
Hayun lang po mga ka-island.
Wala.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and follow. Sorry mga ka-island. God bless.